Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have styled 3 different outfits that look really nice but are super inexpensive. So I just want to show you that you can buy inexpensive items and based on the way you style them, it can definitely look like you put a lot more effort into it, and it just goes to show that you don't need to spend a lot of money in order to look good or feel good. And I'm going to try to edit and film this a little bit differently, so I hope you guys enjoy. Leave me some feedback down below and let's get started. So this first outfit is something I would wear to go shopping because it's really easy to change in and out of. So let's start off with this top. This is a basic everyday striped t-shirt, which I got from H&M. I got it a couple years ago, so I didn't remember exactly which one it is, but I found something very similar to it and it was only around $4 or $5. And I ended up pairing them with these basic black bottoms. Now these bottoms are really comfortable. They're a little flowy in some areas, but at the same time they flatter your body in the right areas. And these bottoms were only $8.99. And this outfit you can pair with sneakers as well. I just bought these really nice slip-ons from Macy's. It sort of looks like a glossy kind of leathery material. And it was on sale at Macy's for only $12. So I highly recommend looking in the sale section. So for this top, I really love that it's double layered. And what I love about this top is the dainty little strap details. I feel like that makes it look a little more dressy, and that just makes your outfit look a whole lot better. Now for the bottoms, it is the same style bottoms, but they are stripes. Stripes are definitely in this summer, and I love the navy blue and white stripes. It just looks so sophisticated, and it's very easy to dress up or dress down. I paired it with these flat-heeled sandals. I feel like this type of shoe definitely dress it up a little bit more. And I forgot to accessorize, but I would definitely wear a layered necklace, some bracelets, and accessorizing definitely gives it a little bit of a dressier feeling. Definitely make sure to look around at all your local fashion boutiques because you could save a couple dollars by going somewhere else. Now this last look is a little bit dressier of a version, but I really wanted to show you guys that you can find great pieces like the ones I'm about to show you for really inexpensive. So I got this romper at the store called Image, and I got it in the sale section for only $3. So I highly recommend to check out the sale section. So I try to keep all the pieces less than $15, but the sweater was $19.99, but I think it's still really good, especially for what it is. It's almost like a really nice suede material, and I love the crisscross details on the side. But you can also find really inexpensive jackets at the thrift store, and since this is a little more of a fancier outfit, I paired with the same style black heels as the other one, but in a nude, so it can match the suede jacket. That's all the outfits I have for you guys. I really tried to keep everything inexpensive, just so you guys can see you don't have to spend a lot of money, and if you want to revamp your wardrobe, you're able to do it without breaking the bank. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think of this style of video, if I should do a couple more videos like this, or do it in a lookbook form, or if you like it like this where I talk about the pieces and show you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!